Guys, what's up? So today we are going to be unboxing and using two new Moda brush kits. So if you would like to see these kits in action and dive into them some more, then just stay tuned. So Moda Brushes was kind enough to send over these two new kits. These are the Be-You-Tiful face and eye kits. And as you can see, they're just so springy, colorful, and just so cute. So in the Be-You-Tiful face kit, you are getting 6 brushes. We have the buffer brush, which is great for all of your complexion products. We have the angle brush, which is perfect for sculpting the face. It's perfect for those products like contour, bronzer, blush. Then we have the smudger brush, which is perfect for exactly what it is called. I love using this right on the waterline area, just to kind of smudge out my liner, make it real smoky. The purple brush back there in the back is the crease brush. This is perfect for creating dimension in the crease area. We have the shader brush, which is perfect for blending all of those eyeshadows seamlessly. Then we have the angle liner brush, which is obviously perfect for creating a crisp, sharp liner, but I also like to use those liner brushes on my brows as well. Moving right along to the Be-You-Tiful eye kit. You are getting 8 brushes in this kit. Starting us off with the smoky eye brush. This is perfect for getting right into that crease or outer corner, maybe even the inner corner for a nice highlight. Back there in the back, we have an eye shield brush. This has a silicone tip on it, so you're just gonna hold this right at the base of your eye. That way it catches any fallout. This brush is also good for mascara as well, so you don't get any mascara transfer. Next, we have a crease brush in this kit as well. We have a small shader, which is perfect for packing on those shadows. We have a nice big fluffy eye contour brush. This is perfect for sweeping on one color shadow all over the eye. It's perfect for setting powder underneath the eye or a highlight as well. We have a shader brush in this kit as well to use underneath the eye on that waterline area. In this kit, we've got a glam topper. I love this tool from Moda. It has a silicone tip. This is perfect for picking up glitter. You can also pick up metallic shadows, pressed pigments, pressed glitters with this as well, and just really pack them on the eye. And last but not least, we have a pointed liner, which is perfect for gel or liquid liners. I love using this for potted eyeliners, and it just creates that perfect liner. I also love using this brush on my lips to really perfect the line. Like all Moda brushes, these are 100% vegan and cruelty-free. They can be used with wet or dry product. They are handcrafted with waterproof handles. They are made with professional quality filaments and also have aluminum brush heads. These are quality brushes for an affordable price. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the makeup tutorial using these brand new Be-You-Tiful Moda brushes. So this is just so soft, you guys. And then here is what the handle looks like. It just says, "Be beautifully bold" over and over and over again. Love that. Okay, so since these can be used with wet or dry product, I'm using this buffer brush for my foundation. I just kind of wanted to see how it buffed out the wet product. It's not streaky or patchy or anything like that. Okay, so I'm going to use the eye contour brush from the eye kit, the big fluffy brush, and I'm actually going to set my under eye area with this. All right, so I'm going to take that angle brush and just do my contour bronzer blush. All right, so now for the eyes. I want to create something fun and colorful, just like these brushes. So yeah, let's jump into it. I have no clue what I'm gonna do, so I'm just gonna kind of let my hand take me where it wants to go, and we'll see what we create. All right, so I am taking one of the smudger brushes and just placing a dark greenish blue on the outer corner of my eye. And then I'm taking the shader brush and just kind of blending that out, as well as adding a lighter blue, like a sky blue, to it to kind of really transition. Now I'm going in with a lilac-y kind of shade and just butting that right up against that green. I am using the angle liner brush to do this since it is such a tight little space. This is the perfect brush to really get close up. Then I'm going to go in with my smoky eye brush and just really blend that out. Now I'm taking that nice big fluffy crease brush and I am just applying a little bit of pastel yellow to the top of my eye here. Going in with my small shader, I am just applying a kind of corally pink to the front of my lid and really packing that on. Look at that seamless blend, you guys. Wow, these brushes. They're so soft that you literally just have to barely touch the shadow on your eye and it just like blends it for you. It's crazy. Okay, so I just lined my waterline with a blue pencil. Now I'm just going back in with that smudger brush. This is the perfect brush for this area right here on the lower lash line. It just smudges out everything with total ease. Now I'm going to go in with the crease brush and I am just going to apply that pastel yellow right down in here. Now I am taking the Glam Topper and just applying a little bit of loose metallic shimmer on top of those shades we put down. And this is the final face and eye look using the Moda Brushes Be-You-Tiful Face and Eye Kit. I decided to add these cute little gummy bear and jelly gems that I received in a contacts PR package. And yes, these brushes just blended this look out like a dream. Well, this is the final look, you guys, using the new Moda Brushes Be-You-Tiful Face and Eye Kits. Let me know down in the comments below, will you guys be picking up these new kits? What do you think? Do you love them? Do you not? I personally think they are adorable and they definitely get the job done. If you're thinking about purchasing from Moda Brushes, I do have a code that you can use to save some money. I do make a little bit of money from that code, so if you do decide to purchase and use my code, not only will you be saving some money, but you'll be helping me out as well. I just want to say a big thank you to Moda Brushes for sending me these kits to try. I am in love. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I will be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.